Hi, Christopher. Yay! What is that your business? Mind your business. I'm from your village. Guys, please. Can we come back to something? I can't believe I'm still up. Unlike me. Pablo. Hi, Pablo. It's not only 369, it's 300. I will block you. I'll block you. You waiting there, do you?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? 360. I will block you if you say that shit on my DM again. Close your mouth. Your mouth will never feel. You think I'm alive in front of you? Let me block you. Guys, can you tap the screen? Yeah. LED lights. Now your mama will go open for bag, girl. Why am I ignoring your test? Do you think I came on live? Frederick, hi. You think I came on live because of you? Can you see? Yes, I can see.